Imagine turning your online hustle into a gold mine with just a few clicks. That's exactly what I did, making $375 in a single day using ChatGPT. But how, you might wonder, is this even possible? Let's dive into the strategy that made it happen. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, where we serve up the best strategies for financial success. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of online business, investing, and money-making opportunities that can reshape your financial landscape in 2024. Now, if you've been exploring ways to make money with ChatGPT, you're in for a treat. Forget the outdated methods. I've personally banked over $375 in a single day using ChatGPT and a free website that attracts a whopping 1.9 billion monthly visitors. Stick around because this method is a game changer. First things first, head over to ChatGPT and ask about the top 5 most profitable niches. You'll discover that finance and investing, along with online business, are the cream of the crop. Perfect for what we're delving into today. Next, ask ChatGPT to draft a book on the best ways to make money online. But here's the twist, you won't be selling the book. Instead, you'll be giving it away for free and earning money in the process. Intrigued? Stick with me. As you scroll through the chapters, you'll notice that ChatGPT has provided the content, not the entire book. Your task is to ask ChatGPT to describe each topic in 1,000 words. Once that's done, you'll have a comprehensive guide at your disposal. Now head to canva.com and search for ebook. Create a blank ebook, use the first page for the cover, and start populating the subsequent pages with the content ChatGPT generated. In just 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have a professionally designed ebook ready to roll. Step 2 involves navigating to warriorplus.com, creating a free account, and selecting a high-converting offer to promote. Look for offers with over 500 sales, a conversion rate of 15% or more, and a refund rate under 5%. I've chosen the Profit Link offer for this video. It boasts an 18% conversion rate and a visitor value that's music to our ears. Once you've selected your offer, click on Request Approval and customize your message to the vendor. Mention your intention to promote and the platform will reveal shortly. Upon approval, grab your affiliate link and incorporate a compelling call to action in your ebook. Now let's talk strategy. Head to Reddit, the gold mine for finding potential customers. With over 1.9 billion monthly visitors, it's a perfect platform to share your ebook. But here's the catch, you need karma points to post freely. Join karma building communities on Reddit, engage, post, and comment to quickly accumulate the required karma. Once you hit the mark, customize your profile with a link to download your free ebook. In the major money-making communities on Reddit, create posts with titles like Free Ebook Reveals and use the description ChatGPT generated for you. Remember to emphasize that the ebook is available on your profile. As viewers read your ebook, they'll encounter a green-colored call to action urging them to earn $1,000 a day with AI. This is where your affiliate link comes into play. When they click and make a purchase, you earn commissions ranging from $31.95 to $848 depending on their choices. This method is a powerful way to generate passive income. Once you've set up your promotion on Reddit, it works like a well-oiled machine, bringing in over $375 every single day. If you're enjoying these strategies, make sure to subscribe to the Business Cafe for more valuable insights and money-making tips. Now that you've set up your promotion on Reddit and your affiliate link is in place, let's delve deeper into the strategies that make this method a consistent earner. Remember, the key is not just about earning money but also about building a sustainable online income stream. Transitioning to the capabilities of ChatGPT, it's important to understand its revolutionary impact. This tool not only creates human-like text, but also crafts narratives that deeply resonate. It provides access to a broad knowledge base, opening up diverse opportunities in online business where information equates to power. Shifting gears to the online business arena, we observe its massive potential. The platform we're focusing on boasts over 1.9 billion monthly visitors, mainly from affluent countries, offering ripe opportunities. ChatGPT identifies finance, investing, and online business as top niches, guiding us to target audience interest effectively. With ChatGPT as a partner, creating an engaging ebook is straightforward. It suggests chapter titles while you add in-depth content, ensuring relevance and personalization. Utilizing Canva for design, the process emphasizes visual appeal, essential for standing out in the digital marketplace. Delving into Warrior Plus, we recognize its critical role in our strategy. It's not about random offer selection but choosing strategically based on sales, conversion rates, refund rates, and plus scores. Our chosen offer, Profit Link, stands out with an 18% conversion rate and other key metrics, reflecting its strong income-generating potential. In affiliate marketing, your role transcends mere promotion. You become a strategic link between products and potential customers. Crafting a compelling promotion message is crucial for vendor approval. Embedding your affiliate link in the ebook, coupled with an effective call to action, creates a seamless journey from content consumption to potential earnings. Reddit serves as a pivotal platform for promotion. Accumulating karma points is essential for unrestricted sharing. By engaging with Reddit's money-centric communities and adhering to their guidelines, you can strategically place your ebook to capture the attention of an audience seeking financial advice, thus maximizing the impact of your affiliate link. What sets this method apart is its scalability. It's not a one-time trick but a system that can be replicated across different niches and platforms. As you witness success with your initial promotion, consider exploring other top-performing offers on Warrior Plus. The principles remain the same, but the potential for income multiplies. Think of each ebook as a digital asset in your arsenal. With ChatGPT as your content companion, there's virtually no limit to the number of ebooks you can create. Each ebook becomes a potential revenue stream, and with the right promotional strategy, your earnings can scale exponentially. As we conclude this guide, it's essential to recognize the ever-evolving landscape of online income. ChatGPT is just the beginning. Technology continues to shape how we engage with content and opportunities. Stay adaptable, embrace new tools, and most importantly, continue delivering value to your audience. In essence, what we've outlined today is not a mere method. It's a blueprint for transforming your online endeavors. The fusion of ChatGPT's capabilities, strategic affiliate marketing, and Reddit as a promotional platform forms a potent trifecta. Remember, success in the digital realm is not just about making money today, but building a sustainable income for tomorrow. The journey doesn't end with one promotion. It's a continuous cycle of innovation, adaptation, and growth. So as you embark on this journey, armed with the knowledge from the Business Cafe, know that the possibilities are vast and your financial success is within reach. If you're enjoying these strategies and insights, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The Business Cafe is your go-to destination for unlocking the secrets of online success.